Guys, welcome to Only Maths Tutorial Point. In the previous video, we discussed exercise 2.1 page number 33, fifth bit, right? The same continuation we are going to discuss in this video. Okay, what is given here in the the fifth bit? They are asking, write the following sets into roster form, right? So what is given here? D equal to x colon, x is a prime number which is a divisor by 60. Okay, which is a divisor by 60. Means we have to take the factors of 60. Okay, in that choose only prime numbers. Okay, suppose 60 I am writing here. Steps are needed, right? Divisor of 60. Okay, what we get? 1 into 60, 2 into 30, 3 into 20, 4 into 15, okay, 5 into 12, 6 into 10. Okay guys, now 6 into 10, no 7, no 8, no 9, no 10, sorry, again 10 into 6, again this value will be repeated, right, from reverse order. So in this we have to choose only the prime numbers. Okay guys, so what are the prime numbers here? Here 2 is a prime, 3 is a prime, 5 is a prime. Okay, we have to choose only those things because the question is asked like that only. So how to write? So the set D equal to 2, 3, 4. That's it. This is a representation of roster form. So in the fourth question, what they asked, guys? Did you understand this question, guys? Okay. Second, fourth one, E equal to X is an alphabet in beta. Set E equal to X colon, X is an alphabet in beta. Okay, now we know that the elements in the set are distinct. It should not be repeated. Okay guys, so how to represent the given statement into roster form? Okay, so set E equal to open brackets, B is a letter, E is a letter, T is a letter, R is a letter. Okay, here B is repeated, sorry, E is repeated twice, T is repeated twice, so we should eliminate one time and write the remaining times. So B, E, T, R. This is the notation in roster form, guys. Now coming to set builder form, sixth bit, write the following sets in set builder form. Set builder form, in the previous video also we discussed that it will follow certain syntax, right? It will follow certain rule, condition. So how to write it? So what is given here? 3, 6, 9, 12. So it is talking about multiples of 3, okay, up to 4 times. Okay, so how to write? You can give any name for the set, guys. So I am giving as let A. Okay, so it is a multiple of 3, so better I am giving T. up to you. You can give any name, but it should be capital letter. So x colon x is a multiple of 3. Okay, and what is the condition here? And x less than or equal to 12. Or you can write t equal to x colon x is a multiple of 3 and x less than 15. You can write anything. Okay, coming to second one. What is the pattern here? 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. Okay, so pattern ఎలా ఉంది guys? ఒకసారి చూడండి. 2, okay, 2 power 1, 2 square, 2 cube, 2 power 4, 2 power 5. సో ఈ ఫార్మాట్లో ఉంది కదా, స్క్వేర్ ఫార్మాట్లో ఉంది ఇక్కడ. సో how can we write into set builder form? So it is square, so I am giving as set s, okay, x colon x is a exponential or exponent x is exponent, comma, condition is x less than or equal to 5, or we can write x less than 6. Okay guys, now coming to third one of 6th bit. Okay, what is third one? 5, 25, 5, 25, 125, 625. Okay, now how it is also exponential form. 5 power 1, 5 square, 5 cube, 5 power 4. Okay, see guys, in the previous sum, instead of this exponent, you can give as, here base is 2, right? Base is a common 2 only. So instead of this exponent, you can give 2 power x also. X is a, which format? 2 power x, exponential form. Okay, you can write like that also, 2 power x. Okay, this one, these are the powers of 5 guys. Okay, this also gives some letter set name as f. Okay, x colon x is a exponent. Okay, and x less than 5, or f colon f equal to x colon x is a, which format? Base is 5, common for all, and differ for it is only differing powers, right? So 5 power x, x is a 5 power x format, and condition is x less than 5. Okay, understood? Now what is your fourth one? 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, so on up to 100. Okay, so how to write guys? ఇది ఎలా ఉంది? 1 square is 1, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, so on up to 10 square. ఈ ఫార్మాట్ లో ఉంది కదా. దీని మనం సెట్ బిల్డర్ ఫార్మాట్ లో ఎలా రాస్తాం? సో it is also a square. You can give of same name S, or better give other name as Q. Okay, x colon x is a exponent, okay, and x here x is exponent or the base. Here x is a base guys, not exponent. Okay, the previous sum we deal with exponent, right? It is differing for differing powers, not the base, but here it is, in this case it is differing base, not powers. See, so x is a base, okay, and x less than 11. Understood what is 11 here? This is 11. So, or you can write q equal to x colon in other format we can write this case x colon x is a p power x, okay, where p belongs to natural numbers and x equal to 2. Okay, x colon x is a format of p power x where p belongs to natural numbers, isn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4, all the base are natural numbers, and x the power is 2. Okay, so understood guys. So with this we completed 6 bits of exercise 2.1, and still 2 more bits are there. Okay, that one will continue in the next video. Okay, I hope you understand this video. Please like my video and subscribe my channel guys. Please go through my videos once again, and if at all any doubt is there, you can comment me in the video. Thank you. All the best.